Hi guys, welcome to your sixth Java tutorial, and in this we're going to look at the if-else statement. Okay, so basically we have a variable here, an integer type, and we've given this variable holding a value of 40. So what we're saying here, if the number is less than 50, print out this statement, and if it's not less than 20, print out this 50 or 40 or less than 50, print out this statement. Gobbledygook today. So if you run that, that's a nifty. What the hell is printy? Now if we run that, what we get? Let's try to run down here, by the way, and there you go. Yes, it's less than 40. But if I change my condition here to 30, okay, now we save that. What should we get this time? Is it 40 less than 30? No, it's not. So should print out, yes, it's incorrect. Okay. We can also go and change this to an if else statement. And if my num is greater than 38, print out this, and then we put an else here. I'll try to jump this one down, and let's see, SYS go. Can we get a quick one of this? Yes we can. Press enter. Else, I'm just print this one. Okay, and look at it again, my keyboard has found gobbledygook on here with these lines. For some reason it's just not doing, for some reason the buttons are just switching over what they want to do themselves. Just don't understand this. They're just doing the wrong thing lately. I think I need a new keyboard or a new laptop. Maybe I do. Maybe I don't. Maybe it's just gone slow. Maybe I got too many problems on. Anyway, here we go. If my number is 40, if my number is less than 30, print this. If my number is greater than 38, print this. Else print this. So what we'll do is here, we'll leave that, we'll save that, and that's the right way that is jumping, and we'll press run here. Okay? And what should we get? It's correct, because my number is 30. If my number is less than 30, we're going to print this. If my number is greater than 38, which it is, we're going to print that. So I'm going to put my number here now to 28. So okay, I'm going to save that. We're going to run. What will I get this time? Correct, it's less than 40, so it's going to print this one again. Okay. Now, my number is 30, print this. Okay, if my number is greater than 38, print this. Now, if I change my number to 37, what should we get this time? Save that. I know what we're going to get anyway. You have to tell me. Print this one. You see? So basically, as I went through all of these conditions, right, and since none of these conditions met, my number is not less than 37, my number isn't greater than 38, so it's going to go to the last else, to the finds a condition that it works with. And in this case it didn't, it just said, right, else, but just print this one, and print this one up there. So this is the if, and if you had just the if or the else, and you can put an if and put another condition, and you can keep going with that as long as you want, which is a much quicker way of doing this than just using if else. It's called a switch statement, and we'll look at that in the next one. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys, and take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.